Hey there! Thinking about making crispy fries or juicy chicken without all that oil? Let me show you how to use an air fryer, step by step. First up, plug in your air fryer and set it on a flat, heat-resistant surface. Preheat it if your recipe calls for it. Usually just hit the preheat button or set the desired temp and let it run empty for a few minutes. Now let's prep the food. Toss your ingredients in a little oil, just a teaspoon or two is plenty. This helps with browning and flavor. Spread everything out in the basket. Don't overcrowd. Air needs to circulate for that perfect crunch. Slide the basket back in and set the temperature and timer. Most veggies do great at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, while chicken might need 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooking times vary, so check your recipe, or start with 15 minutes and adjust as you go. About halfway through, pull out the basket and give it a shake or flip your food with tongs. This makes sure everything cooks evenly. When the timer dings, use oven mitts to pull out the basket. Let your food cool just a bit. It's hotter than it looks. And that's it. You've just air-fried your way to easy, delicious eats with almost no mess. Try it with fries, chicken, veggies, whatever you like. Don't forget to clean the basket once it's cool. You'll be ready for your next crispy adventure. Happy air frying!